Dr. Vicki Peterson. Wanted to talk to you a little bit today about something new we've been doing. It's really a couple of years, but fairly new in the grand scheme of things, and that is looking at your genes and what they might be hiding. We all know when there's something really heavy in our family, whether it's heart disease, diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer's, autoimmune disease, diseases that a lot of family members have, and we just kind of want to put our hands over our eyes and say, cross your fingers and hope you don't get it. But what's really exciting is this field of nutrigenomics, which looks at how you can alter the expression of your genes naturally. So of course it involves laboratory testing to assess what genes you have, and then using natural nutrition to literally change the expression. It's really exciting. You know, mom and dad came together, made you. We all have little defects. They're called SNPs, and these SNPs can move us in that direction of certain disease, certain inabilities to do things, not do things as well. And what can happen is we all have them, but if they're functioning at a level, I mean, it can be as low as 30%, but you might never notice it without a triggering event. And that triggering event in life can be anything from having a baby, getting really sick, needing a surgery, having a tremendous amount of stress. A variety of things can act as that triggering event. And then once it's triggered, that gene is turned on. And people say, wow, I was fine until X, you know, I was fine until this happened. That's that triggering event. And it was just too much stress on that gene, and now its inability to function optimally is really impacting your life in a variety of symptoms. So the whole key is to find out what are those weak links you have genetically, and now that that triggering event has got it going and enacted, how to turn that back off nutritionally. And it is natural, it's completely natural nutrition. You turn it back off. Of course, you try to de-stress from those triggering events, whether it was a very poor diet for a period of time. I hear this a lot with patients. We're here in Silicon Valley. People are working really hard and they have this big project, or, you know, they just had a lot of stress. They were in a startup, and it can be 2 years in duration, and it's like, wow, I was hardly sleeping, I was eating like crap, you know, this kind of thing that I hear, and gee, I haven't recovered. Those are the kind of triggering events we're talking about. So this field of nutrigenomics is really exciting. It's really taken our practice to the next level. We've enjoyed a success rate of about 85% with our patients for years, but this, as I said, really just took it to the next level and allowed us to really impact people's health at a very, very deep level. And that's the field of nutrigenomics. If you have certain diseases in your family, you're hoping not to get them, or you're already manifesting some of them and thought you were just stuck, please reach out and we can talk. We can offer you a free consultation. So give us a call, 408-733-0400, or visit us at the website rootcausemedical.com. I'll talk to you soon.